IKEA, an ice cream seller disguised as a furniture brand known by its variety of the products. But are they really useful, or just simply wasting the money? This time we have picked up a couple of interesting stuffs and to see if they can improve our life quality. This is a portable wireless speaker. It has a very simple design, which is just a white square body with two circles on it. The big one is the speaker and the smaller one is just a hole, but this hole is what makes it portable. Plug in a cork stand so you can place it by a different angle, and it is looking good. It can also be easily hung on the coat hanger. It can not just decorate your house, but also brings you the music wherever you want. Hang it on the back with a rope, then you can get an outdoor camping speaker. Therefore, you can decorate the beautiful nature with the music you like. Plus, isn't it wonderful to glance the sky through this hole? It is connected through the Bluetooth, and here's the button to play and pause or mute when calling. There's a microphone which allows you to make a call through Bluetooth. But unfortunately, it only has a micro USB port, which is a quite outdated one nowadays. However, it's power supplied by 3 AAA batteries, which you can easily purchase, and you can also charge the battery if it's chargeable.
Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
So this is how this speaker sounds like. The music has torn apart like generating from an old broken instrument. It sounds playing whichever the song is, especially the singer voice. There's absolutely no enjoyment of music. IKEA portable wireless speaker Testavy gives 4.5 points as the subjective overall score. This is a phone holder which only costs less than $1. Unfold to use it. Place it vertically or horizontally. It is made by soft material so it won't leave scratches on your phone. By adjusting the angles, you can place your phone higher or lower, then you can enjoy your meal. But the extended part would more or less block your screen, so maybe it is better to switch to a tablet which has a larger screen. Oops, it is too big to hold. Honestly, it is a little convenient stuff indeed, but I don't see a reason to carry it on purpose. Because after all, there are holders everywhere around me. IKEA phone holder Testavy gives 5.5 points as the subjective overall score. This is a cable manager, a curved stand with 2 springs on it. There are counterweights and rubber pads. It looks cheap, but it actually costs around $14. Is it really gonna improve my gaming experience? I doubt it. But I think I need to take my words back, because I found out it did help me after I set it up on my desk. In order to ensure the cable won't disturb me when playing game, sometimes I would stick the cable on the desk, but I could still feel it pulling when the cable is left too long. If it's too short, I won't have enough space to wave my wrist, but this stand can hand up the cable so it won't twist in like a snake. When pulling hard, there's a spring as a buffer. It is for sure different with just laying the cable on the desk. And this cable manager ensures the lightweight of the wired mouse while minimizing the interface from the cable. But just like my colleague said, there are many other cheaper options. Nevertheless, if you really like the design of it, it is relatively worth buying. IKEA cable manager Testavy gives 6.25 points as the subjective overall score. This is a wireless charging panel with a table lamp. It is typical IKEA style, which is looking nice from far, but you will see the poor quality at close. Although the charging efficiency is extremely low on the panel, but I can make do with it since I won't use phone all night. The charging indicator on it is quite interesting. On the other device, it is normally located here, here, or here. But on this one, it is over here. It seems no problem, right? But once you place your phone on it, a lot of space will be occupied. Therefore, you are not able to see the light is on or not. And it can not just only charge mobile phones but also the table lamp. It is powered by 4 AA batteries, and there's a red light indicates the charging process. Switch it on, 3 brightness options, choose a comfortable one by pressing the button. This table lamp is definitely a bonus, because it made the whole set of devices reasonable. You can place it on the panel when it's not needed and take it away anytime you want. And it's creating warm home vibe. But the plastic sound that it makes every time when you press it is keep reminding me the poor quality. Maybe it is better to set it inside some home accommodations. The plastic material is not easily broken and it can still charge your device despite its slow speed. IKEA wireless charging panel with table lamp, test of it gives 6.25 points as the subjective overall score. IKEA has a lot of stuffs. Some are good looking, some are useful, and some stuffs that depends on your own requirements, and some are not even helping at all. Like their squatter, I would rather call it gulletins. This time we have shown you 4 little IKEA products from different price range. And they have one thing in common, that they are looking good but not on the qualities. From the perspective of home furnishings, they are not too bad to use. But from the perspective of electronics, they are hard to be called good products. So think twice when you're picking those fancy stuffs from IKEA next time.